Good morning, guys. So today is 28th of February 2019 and today we are going home. So time now is 9 o'clock. So we're just gonna have a breakfast first before we finish our packing. Well, I'm finished packing. James is he haven't started yet, so that's normal. But anyway, it's a nice weather here today. So yeah, this is basically a last day here in Agadir. We had a good time though. It was really good holiday, really relaxing, and we did a lot of stuff as well. So it was good. I'm happy to come back here actually with the children because I think they're gonna enjoy here. But for some reason, there are actually not many children here, like guests here in our hotel. Most of the guests are elderly. So, but it's a nice hotel. Home time. So that's my hand luggage. I packed my bag. James' bag empty. He haven't started to pack his stuff yet, so it's all there. So we're just gonna have a breakfast first because I'm hungry and I can't do anything without coffee. So yeah, home time. I'm looking forward to see the boys as well. We are on our way to have a breakfast, our last breakfast here in Morocco, because we're leaving later. What time are we leaving? 10 past 3? 10 past 3. So we're leaving Morocco 10 past 3, but our flight is actually 10 to 6. Last breakfast here in Morocco. You don't want to go home? You're not ready? I am. We just finished our breakfast and now we're going back to our bedroom because James needs to finish his packing.
Need to start my packing. Need to start my packing. We've got 30 minutes. And
he's only got 30 minutes to pack all his stuff.
I don't think it's enough.
He always leave it last minute, but I'm pretty much done with my packing. I wake up 7 o'clock. Oh, look at this perfect. I woke up 7 o'clock in the morning to finish my packing. Well, to start my packing, but I'm done.
Well, she was waking up at 7 o'clock, finishing her packing. I was having a nice little snooze. Yes, just a bit of extra sleepy time.
So, we going home. James is not ready for it, but I am.
I don't know why you're so excited to go home. Just back to work tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I know, but back to reality.
Reality means work.
Yeah.
Work means
back to normal life.
horrible.
It's home time. Tomorrow morning we wake up back to normal life. So we are just packing now. I'm pretty much done. James is still halfway there and he's only got 15 minutes to finish it. We got champagne last night, but I didn't drink any because I had a really bad stomachache.
Boring.
So that's the one that I'm supposed to drink.
Boring.
But I didn't drink any of it because I had a really bad stomachache last night, like really bad.
Fucking boring.
Go on.
Boring. Fucking boring.
You got 15 minutes to finish your packing. Look, it's not even done yet. There's nothing in there, look. He's so slow. He's always like that. He's always like that. He's always leaving it last minute. And then he will forget something. It's his fault. He just never on time. He just always leave everything last minute.
But I always manage to do it.
Whatever.
No.
Look at him. He's rushing himself up because he only got 15 minutes to finish it. He doesn't know how to fit everything. You go on. Chuck it all in
You're
there.
not putting any of this in your bag?
Well, I can if you want.
Yeah.
I'll take this one. You put all of it in
You
there.
put this stuff in your bag, I'll put the rest
All
in
of
mine.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, bloody
I've
hell.
got loads of stuff to go in mine.
See, he wants to read the book first before he finishes packing. So we already checked out. We just waiting for our bus to arrive. That would be 10 to 3 and it's only 11 o'clock. So we got 4.5 hours here. Or 4 hours.
When we get home, Grace is learning her ABCs.
We just going in a shop in a minute to have a look around. Cry now.
Cry?
Yeah.
That's why I'm wearing glasses so nobody can see my tears.
Rio. We highly recommend this hotel. This is really nice.
Yeah.
And you know, in the bar outside the pool, what's his name? Imad.
Imad.
He was.
Oh, we told him we're going to... We
Yeah.
can still go and see him, can't we?
Yeah. The Imad. He's a really nice bloke. He made a lot of special drinks for us while we're staying here.
very
So
nice. Very nice guy.
he's a really nice. So if you come and
Everybody here is nice.
yeah, but he's quite nice. So if you come and visit here in Rio Palace, Tikida, you go to the pool. He works there. There's 2 bars, but as you go towards the swimming pool, the first bar in the what's it called? Like is that patio? No, it's not patio. Is
Yeah,
it?
it's sort of like a raised...
Yeah,
bar area.
the like the race bar area. So he works there, and he will make a lot of nice special drinks for you. So you should go and see him if you come here. You will see him if you watch my videos. You will see him there. His name is Imad. Yeah, we already checked out, but we can still use the facilities, the drinks, like everything. We still have our wristband here. You see? So we are back here in our hotel now. Well, we bought some stuff for the children there. So we need to put it in our bag. We're still waiting around for the bus. It's only like
We've got an hour.
1:30.
What is it, 10 to 3, our bus?
Yeah. So we got an hour and
20 minutes.
20 minutes waiting around.
15 minutes.
So we're thinking to have some lunch
Got Grace.
before we go.
Full up for breakfast still.
Yeah. What do you feel?
Sad.
We're leaving today. I just had my last lunch here. So
Last bit of food.
it's time. It's 2:25 now. The bus will pick us up. What? 10 to 3. 10 to 3. Just stop it. That is James's lunch. That's why he's depressed. He's sad. He's going home. You look well sad.
Hopefully, it'll only be another 3 or 4 months and we'll be going somewhere again in the summer. I'm thinking Japan
Yeah.
or maybe Philippines.
Home time. Back to normal life. So we're just sitting here in the lobby waiting for our bus. Should be here in 10 minutes. That's our bag here. And there's James. It was a good experience here in Morocco. We had a lot of fun. We did 3 or 4 trips. 4 trips. So we did 4 trips here in Morocco, Agadir, and it was good. Everything was good, except when you go outside. Because this hotel, Rio Palace Tikida Palace. When you come out, there's a lot of shops in front of the hotel, and the people's just hustle you just to buy something for them. So it's quite stressful, but it is a nice country. It's just the people outside, they selling stuff and they hustle you and hustle you and hustle you. They won't stop until you buy something from them. Unless you run. I run. James can't run. Yeah. So other than that, it was a good holiday for me and for James. That is a fake smile. Here we go. We are in the bus now. Home. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Rio.
Bye, Rio Palace. See you next time, maybe.
Here's James eating his favorite sandwich.
It's awful.
How was it?
Oh.
So we're just sitting in a cafe waiting for just having lunch, and then in half an hour or in 20 minutes the plane started to board, so we better keep going. We're on board here in the plane.
Due to leave in 4 minutes.
In 4 minutes we
I can't
fly
see
back
it.
to England.
Can't see us leaving in 4 minutes. Loads of people still getting on.
Yeah.
We saw them say it's 3.5 hours.
Is it 3.5 hours flight back in England?
Yeah.
Say bye now.
Bye.
Bye, Morocco. We are back in England now. You still can't get over.
I need to calm down with the thumbs up, don't
So we're back. I've got milk change. Holiday's finished. Back to normal life. I always remind him that because that annoys him.
That's right. Next time I go on my own, I'll leave her at home in normal life.
Here we go. We're back. Hello, England. Here we go. What are you doing?